Hello KonnecttzIT family, welcome to KonnecttzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can create or generate a recipe using AI, that is chatgpt, and automate using KonnecttzIT. In my previous video I had shown you how you can create lead magnets basically for diet AI media planner. So similarly I'll be showing you by creating a landing page and a lead magnet for AI recipe generator, and also you can use or display that in your local language. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So before you creating a workflow, make sure you create a landing page. So I had shown in my previous video to create a landing page. I had created a landing page something like this using a tool called Pagemaker. So I had shown detailed step-by-step process in my previous video. Please do watch that, added in the description. So this is my landing page where I am asking for, this is my lead magnet, the email address and the dish name or ingredients. Basically I'm just taking the input from the user and just create this thing like recipe, generate a recipe using chatgpt and then send them an email. So let's do this. So first add to KonnecttzIT, click on create workflow and name your workflow. Drag and drop Pagemaker. Select the trigger as configure webbook, and based on the instructions provided here, place your webbook URL by copying it from KonnecttzIT and add to Pagemaker. I had shown step-by-step process how you can add or create a book and map it into your form. So I just placed my webbook successfully. Now I will add to KonnecttzIT and click on capture webbook response. This will enable KonnecttzIT to capture the response from my webbook. So what I'm going to do is I will just add my email address and then just add the ingredients. Even you can just mention the dish name as well, like white pasta or any other thing, and just click on submit. So once you submit the form from your lead magnet, automatically based on like we have placed the webbook URL, so KonnecttzIT will capture the response. So you can see that, so it has captured the response of the prompt, and also it has captured the email address from the lead magnet. So now we will go to KonnecttzIT, use the text formatter to merge the text. So let's basically I'm just creating a prompt for ChatGPT. So I'll just use merge text option and then connect. So the prompt, so basically I will use this prompt, that is generate. So I'm just telling generate a recipe for dish or ingredients given below, and selecting the prompt which I received from my lead magnet, and then just click on validate. So now I just ready with my prompt. So now I go to OpenAI, just add OpenAI and select ChatGPT as option, and select the configuration and connect the prompt and it on test and review. So this will going to generate a recipe for me using ChatGPT. Yes, it successfully generated a recipe that will be there in this plus icon under this content tab. Just click on that and click on OK. So now we are ready to send that via email. So I'll just use Gmail as option, and then select option as send email and provide the body content and just name it as AI recipe. Just hit on test and review. So this will going to send an email. So you can see that with the subject line, that is AI recipe, and then it has given the dish name, that is it has automatically generated a dish name. Basically it is saying chicken pasta with tomato sauce, and it says the ingredients and also the instructions to cook. So this is how you can create a recipe using chatgpt and KonnecttzIT. So now let me go ahead and publish my Konnectz. Even you can translate this into your local languages. So for example, let me do that just using the prompt. You just need to change the prompt. So let me go ahead and edit my prompt. So I'll just edit the prompt as generate and translate it into Spanish. So similarly, even you can keep that language also dynamic based on the user input, based on wherever you are getting your lead form as well. So like how I actually made the dynamic as a recipe prompt, so you can do the same thing with the language as well. So now let us go ahead and search for OpenAI again. So you can see that I just select generate content and provide the prompt. Yes, the recipe is generated successfully in Spanish. So you can see all those details over here. So now I will send the same thing to my email ID using Gmail. Add it into body, give the email ID from the lead. So now I will name it as AI recipe in Spanish and hit on test and review. So this will going to send an email, test email. So yes, you can see that. So the recipe which we received from Spanish, you can see that. So I can even translate it over here. So it says the recipe for chicken and vegetable pasta, and it has given all the things in Spanish. So this is how you can generate a recipe in your own language for all your leads, like basically for your lead magnets, and grow your email list using ChatGPT and KonnecttzIT. So let me go ahead and publish this Konnectz. So this is how you can create a content, that is generate an AI recipe for your lead magnets. So if you have any doubts in this particular integration or if this particular workflow, please drop me on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.